1238 and 3 inches. 2 inches it looks like. Well, there it is. Got the dirt off. The number 4. We don't know why, but there it is. Now 1236 and 5. Holy crap. That turned out to be a live round. This could still go off. I'll clean that head stamp and try and tell you what it says. It's a little bit hard to read right now. That's a really weird signal. At the base of this tree, I think I know what this is that had such a weird signal. 3 inches deep. This, I think, is the remains of a harmonica. 1236, 1235 and 7 inches. I am just metal detecting a riverbank in the middle of nowhere out back. That's why it makes sense to me that someone camped here, hunted here, and that's why that signal is this big old bullet. Well, at least I'm hoping it's old. It's in good shape. Sorry, the flies are insane here. I'm going to clean up that head stamp and let you know what I got. I can't get a signal on this, but I like that sharp tone. Oh, here it comes. 1135. It's having trouble. Oh, 1346. That's gotta be silver. How happy am I? Look at this is silver. I've been on a long stretch of finding just pennies. Look at this, it's a 6 pence. I'm going to clean it up and try and get that date for you. It looks to me like 1928. 1928 6 pence. What a beauty. Pretty faint signal. I like those numbers in depth though. Let's see what we can find. Well, it was nice and deep. Looks like a piece of garbage. Oh, but wait a minute. This piece of garbage needs to be washed. It's got 2 wheels. One there, and it looks like a hitch. I think this was a toy. I don't know. Well, yeah, look at that. Seems to like it's go over be the wheel well there. I'll clean it up and we'll find out. $12.43 and 4. Here it is. You know what I think it is? Broken off handle there. I think this is an old spoon. To ring up like that, I'll have to wash it up and see if it's silver or not, but I can't find the handle. $12.36 and 6 or 7. And here it is. Another intact bullet. They usually have these ends all corroded away from them. This looks exactly like the Military Forces 1957 I just found. Once I clean it up, I'll be able to tell you. It's probably the same. This is a very important lesson we all know, but I just want to show you how easy something could go wrong. I thought I had 5 of these little 1 cents that are totally worthless here in Australia, and couldn't believe when I washed them up, why was one of my 1 cent coins silver? Lesson is, that's a 1918 3 pence. I'm so happy to have it, and I'm so glad that it didn't go by the way somehow. Be careful, wash up everything and check it before you toss it out or leave it behind. Now, I'd love to tell you that I'm having a great day detecting, and I found this super old cup, but the truth is, just walking back to my vehicle, and there it was, all flattened out and on the surface of the ground. And this may look familiar to you as it does for me. This is really old because this matches identically to those little flattened out shot glasses that I keep finding. I've found many of them. I always mention them and show them in my movies. And this is the same thing. Isn't that awesome?